everything. Everything has been cleaned out. These O-rings are all brand new. The seal is brand new, and everything has, all the bodies have been, kind of scrubbed out. They're clear of obstructions. I just slapped this piston O-ring on. I have not messed with this in any way, and it does appear to work. If I crank up the velocity and pressure higher, then it will eventually start venting, and I've had to back it out to get it to stop too. So as far as I can tell, that's working okay. So put this back in. I did just put a little bit of oil on that too. Spring pack, it has oil on it as well. It looks like a little leftover grease. So the big disc is going in. That's the only way it will fit. And now I've got the adjuster cap, which is on there as well. When I received this, it was in pretty far, so I've got it in pretty far as well. That should be, I'm guessing, good enough to start. This O-ring is brand new as well. Completely new seal is in there, and it's holding. It's stuck in good. So now this side, the pin's there, the spring's there, everything's good. New O-rings. This is the on-off body, so we'll put a new O-ring on that. Then we'll take one of the Teflons and put it in there, and these are a real hard fit, but hold on, it's not sitting right. Okay, now almost, there we go. Okay, I marked it a little bit with a nail, but it should be okay, at least for this. New Teflon O-rings in there. We'll put the pin through. It's a very, very tight fit, but it is moving cleanly. The on-off pin body was cleaned with steel wool to get all the gunk off of it. And note the notch is facing down. Got this, and we've got this piece now going face down, and now we've got a new Teflon O-ring going on top of it here, and everything seems to be holding okay. So now this O-ring back into the body, which according to the AGD videos you don't really have to push it in, but get it down there a bit anyways. And now we'll just put the whole assembly in, and it's all the way in. Okay. Now we've got cap, new O-ring on there, and new power tube O-ring. Which is good as well. The one spacer that I have access to is a 220. That one next. And then I'll put the cap back on. Oops. Make sure that's tight. That's all good. Okay, now spacer. And then the bolt, which is a level 7, I believe. And the spring, which is the new spring on top of it as well. Then everything will be reassembled with the logos lining up and everything being tight. Now here's the sear, and it looks to me to be in okay shape. One of the questions was on the measurement of it, so I've got the calipers here, and the measurement from the front to back is 1.9345 inches, give or take a little bit depending on how I'm holding stuff. So if we take all that, and it's just a standard rail, does move well and it does move freely. And then for the frame, we've got what I believe is an IntelliFrame. So we'll slide the pin in and line up the back post there. And now we'll put the body on, which is a Helios. That's in, that's secure. The screw is not sticking through, it's completely clear through there. Detent is a standard Automag detent for the body, or sorry, a standard Autococker detent for the body, and it's not sticking through too much, although I've taken it out and tried this as well and didn't make any difference. Now putting the valve in. This is only going lightly thumb tight. All that's there. So for the purposes, what I actually have been running air through the foregrip here onto the back, and for this test I'm actually going to leave this off and just go direct. Well, first we will check the air supply and make sure that's good. Because getting it through the foregrip, we are getting. Okay, for this particular tank,